Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Articulary, where we talk about eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 more ideas, home decor items that you could create from the waste material on budget, eco-friendly as well. So let's dive in. Before I go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. And also, you can check our website. There's a www.articulary.com. You can check out our eco-friendly, highly affordable, beautiful art for decorating your home. These are the art printables which you can download it and you can use it. Also, you could get the art posters, the frame art prints if you want the physical ones. We would actually going to ship at your home, at your country, and we're going to deliver it. So you could check our website. The link is in description box below, or it's just the www.articulary.com. Let's talk about the making the home decor items from the waste materials. I have already made a bunch of the videos talking about this specific topic. I'm going to leave them in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far. But let's talk about the first one that I have for you is using an old frame and creating a jewelry maker out of it. This is an amazing idea. You could have a kind of like a pretty frame at your home that is kept in the garage and you're no longer using it. So why not use it and create a jewelry maker or jewelry organizer for that? Or you could also organize and use your books for that, creating a shelves out of it. With this pretty vintage style jewelry organizer, you will no longer have to worry about storing your earrings and necklaces, and best part is you can make it on your own. That's pretty amazing. You just need an old frame for creating a gorgeous wall decoration as well as jewelry storage section, antique mirror frame, paint and lace. You could have an old storage and you could create a jewelry organizer. You could also store your different kinds of clothing. If you want to, you could create a rack in that. You could place the different kinds of items, even in fact the books. In fact, you could also place it in the kitchen and can place your crockery items like the mugs and all that in there as well. You could hang them. You could do the bunch of the stuff with this old frame and you could create beautiful out of it. It's on budget, eco-friendly as well, because you're having an old frame that is made from the metal or from wood at your home. So you just need to color it and just need a lace or a thread. The idea that I have for you is making a clock, the wall clock from the cardboard. You could also make it from the waste material that you have at your home. You could also create it from the wood. If you have the old wood at your home that is kept like that in your garage, in your storeroom, you can take it out of it, make it, color it, and you could make a clock on that. You could also use the cardboard. It's an amazing idea, eco-friendly as well, on budget. You don't need to buy those wall clocks from the marketplace. You can give your own personalized look to this wall clock and can decorate it. Make your own personalized cardboard clock in less than half an hour. This can also be an excellent exercise for your kids, as it will help them to read time and even understand how clock is designed to work. It could be an amazing kids exercise. They could do it as their fun time, creating the clock. They could color it, design it, paint it, whatever they want to do with that, and they can also learn how the clock work, how to design a clock and all that stuff. Going with the wood than wood clock pieces, because you need a second hour clocks. You need the stickers of that numbers 11, 12 and all that. You could need a scrapbook paper and just string for decorating edges. So this one is the pretty amazing, and I think you could give it a try and see whether your kids love. If you have a kids at your home, if you don't have a kids, then you could very well do by yourself, saving a lot of money and also giving a personalized touch to your own clock and actually reusing the old materials that you already have at your home, recycling them, renovating them and taking it on all that. Let's talk about the last one that I have for this video is, the last idea that I have for you is metal spoon lamp. Now, if you have the spare spoons at your home that is not there right now, you're not using them because they are kind of like a scrap, maybe they don't feel appealing to you right now, or maybe you are purchasing a new set of spoons for your kitchen. They are made from the metal, or maybe they are made from the wood. You could very well use them and you could create a lamp out of it. Now, some people use these to make the plastic spoon lamp, but since we are more eco-friendly approach, so I'm not recommending you to go with the plastic spoon lamp. You could also create from the wood. These cute lamps can be spoons over. If you are looking to match this lamp to your home decor, yes, you can paint them. You can paint the metal, you can paint the wood. You can even decorate cluster spoon lamps by making 2 or 3 of them and then hanging them together at different length. So what thing you need? You need a scrap old material, that is a wood, or that could be even a cardboard as well if you're using a shape from the cardboard or from the metal as well. Then bulb with a holder, knife, box cutter and glue and gun and all that you can do and proceed with that. All these ideas are pretty amazing. You could even try, you could even tell your kids to do that if they are interested in such kind of work. They can even learn it, they can try it, help their mind to go more creative. It's an amazing mind exercise as well, reusing the old products that you have at your home, upcycling all those things that you have in your garage, in your storeroom, and there are places like that only you could use them. And it's an amazing exercise which you could try with your kids, with your partner and all. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section what you think. If you want more such videos, let me know. I'm gonna be making more. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.